Welcome to the complete Strapi course, now updated for Strapi stable release. I'm Alex, the entrepreneur, full-stack senior developer with 7 years of experience, a private code mentor that have personally taught over 450 one-on-one students in the last year and over 1,000 students here on Udemy. By taking this course, you'll master all aspects of Strapi: the content API, authentication, file upload, cron jobs and automation, and emails. The course gets you right into the action with a quick 1-hour project giving you a taste of Strapi, followed up by 4 hours of full-stack project in which you'll build a photo-sharing web app with Strapi and React. The course then has a thorough theory section with plenty of practical examples. A cookbook with situational help you can use as a reference, followed up with an in-depth 6 project sections culminating with you building an e-commerce with Strapi, Gatsby, and Stripe for payment processing, totaling over 26 hours of content. This course is for you if you're trying to get proficient at building full-stack application. This course will help you level up your React skills while learning Strapi. If you're looking for that edge to be able to build application faster, ship new features confidently, or simply be the first to try out this new technology, then sign up for the course now.